Hey everybody, we're going to give you a tour of our irrigation system that we set up for our tiny house. We had to do this because we're often traveling, going back to Oahu for work. So here it is. So we have catchment where we collect the water from our roof, it goes down this drain pipe, goes to our 1,000-gallon tank. We wish we got a little bit bigger tank, but it is what it is. So we have a water pump that pushes the water to the house. You can see our humless solar system. There's our 2-stage water filter, and you can see our water worker water bladder there to regulate the pressure. And we're coming up to our gray water tank where all the wastewater from the house is captured, except human waste. This is the key thing that regulates everything, which is our Kasa smart plug HS103P2. It's Wi-Fi connected, and that's what's turned everything on and off. Here's our EXTRAUP 330 gallon per hour pump, which pumps everything. The water goes through this hose and into small 1/4-inch tubing, which is connected to the sprayers. So we have them placed throughout the garden, and that's what waters our garden. So you can see the tomatoes and cucumbers. There's green onion over there. There's lettuce growing there. And we have one line going off to this other plot we made, which is off to the side in this little lava pocket. And we just planted there. You can find a list of all the parts we use that we bought from Amazon in the description of the video with links to them. If you have any questions about how we did this or have any suggestions of what we should do, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and aloha.